A British judge has ruled that David Roach can be extradited to Singapore over the alleged robbery of a Standard Chartered bank branch in Holland Village in July 2016. The ruling was out less than an hour ago. And for more on that, we go over to Ollie Barrett in London. Ollie, what was the court said about the case?
It was a very short hearing in the end, only lasting a couple of minutes here at Westminster Magistrates Court in central London. David Roach appearing wearing dark-rimmed glasses, a dark top, a dark jacket and with shortly cut hair, speaking only to confirm his name and his date of birth. District Judge Tempia then saying that she wouldn't read out the entirety of what she called a substantial judgment, but she did say that she had found against all of David Roach's challenges against the possibility of extradition to Singapore. Now, a couple of those challenges revolved around articles from the European Convention on Human Rights, Article 3, which relates to the possible treatment he may receive in Singapore if convicted, and another article which relates to his rights to privacy and a family life of some sort. The judge throwing out all of those challenges, as I say, and saying that in her view, the challenges to extradition could not stand.
Ollie, so what's next for David Roach then?
Well, the judge refers the decision now, the final decision, to the Secretary of State, that is UK Home Secretary Sajid Javid. That decision, that final decision, is due to be made within a month. I spoke to David Roach's legal team after the hearing here at Westminster Magistrates Court and asked them whether they would be considering any kind of appeal against a decision which might come down the line, and they said that that decision would have to be made by the legal team and by David Roach only when the UK Home Secretary makes that final call. So we now wait to hear the final decision from the UK Home Secretary, but as I say, in terms of the view of the judge, those challenges against extradition have all been thrown out.
All right, thanks, Ollie, for that. Ollie Barrett speaking to us from London. Now, the Singapore authorities are working closely with the UK authorities on the next steps in this matter.